I kept shaking my head. I tried to bite my pencil, but I still made weird noises. All the classmates laughed. The teacher thought I was joking and forced me to apologize to everyone. But after I sat down, I made those sounds again. My mother took me to the doctor, but he didn't know what the problem was. My mother didn't give up. She kept reading medical books every day. Finally, she discovered I had Tourette syndrome. She told the doctor what she found, but the doctor said there had never been a case cured before. This completely crushed my mother. That day I screamed again in class. The teacher got really mad and sent me to the principal, but the principal didn't scold me. Instead, he invited me to a concert. I worried I would bother people, but the principal still insisted I go. On the day of the concert, I shouted again. The principal asked if anyone heard the sound. Everyone turned and looked at me. Then the principal invited me to the stage.
And why do you do it?
Because I have Tourette syndrome. It's a sickness.
What can we do to help you, Brad?
I just want to be treated like everybody else. The principal smiled and let me go back. Everyone applauded my courage. From that moment, I decided I wanted to be a teacher. 10 years later, I graduated from college. I still made strange noises. One day, I got a phone call from an elementary school. The principal asked why I wanted to teach. I said my own principal had inspired me and helped me grow up safely. This moved the principal, and I was finally hired as a teacher on my first day of school. Because of my loud noises, they all called me a weirdo. I wrote my condition on the blackboard, and my noises made the students laugh. But after class, some parents still looked at me strangely. Some even transferred their children to other classes. In the following days, I quickly adapted to interacting with the students, and they all liked me. There was a boy in my class with ADHD. He was always disruptive to the other students. The principal suggested he drop out, but I refused. The next day I spoke with him privately. I explained my Tourette syndrome, which was far more serious than his ADHD, so I was sure he could overcome it. Gradually, the boy began to study seriously. A year later, the principal announced me as Classroom of the Year. All the students applauded for me. I knew that at that moment, I was finally recognized. So do you have any strange symptoms? Please comment.